ఒకసారి మన రాష్ట్ర రాజకీయాలు మాట్లాడబోయే ముందు ఒకసారి మన స్పెషల్ కేటగిరీ స్టేటస్ గురించి గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఫైనాన్స్ మినిస్టర్ శ్రీ అరుణ్ జైట్లీ గారు మాట్లాడిన దానికి ఒకసారి వారికి గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాకి అర్థమయ్యే విధంగా ఒకసారి వారికి ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడదాం వాళ్ళతో కొద్దిసేపు. ఏంలా తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడొచ్చు, ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ లాస్ ఉంటుంది కదా మన వాళ్ళందరికీ. గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అంటే మన వాళ్ళకి భయం, పిరికితనం. ఎవరికి ఉంటుంది పిరికితనం? దోపిడీ చేసే వాళ్ళకి పిరికితనం ఉంటుంది. మనకెందుకు ఉంటుంది పిరికితనం? టంగుటూరి ప్రకాశం పంతులు వారసులం, మనకేంటి భయం? సైమన్ కమిషన్ వస్తే చొక్కా చించుకొని కాల్చిపారని చెప్పాడు. వారి వారసులం. టు ద ఆనరబుల్ మినిస్టర్, ఫైనాన్స్ మినిస్టర్, to Shri Arun Jaitley ji, from the capital of Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. My name is Pawan Kalyan. I had the opportunity to meet you in the Central Halls for a brief time in 2014. Respected sir, for the last 4 years, the kind of injustice has been meted out to the people of Andhra Pradesh. It is burning us up. It is agonizing us. It is killing us. It is causing a deep pain in us. And the statement you gave, you said, for the sentiment's sake, special category status cannot be given. Then what sentiment gave you, says Telangana? When you were bifurcating the state, you were there in the opposition, and rest of your colleagues, and you said, special category status for Andhra Pradesh, we will give 15 years. And in 1972, to take you back the history, to tell you the history, in the year 1972, people of Andhra Pradesh had demanded for a separate state. But then the government of India, headed by Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, said, you have to stay together. In that process, in that struggle, more than 1,000 lives had been lost, been shot dead by the authorities because of the political masters. And in 1997, in the BJP manifesto in Kakinada, you said, the party said, we're going to give a one vote, 2 states. Accordingly, you had divided 2 states, the unified Andhra Pradesh into 2 states. And in the temple of democracy, which is parliament, you gave a word that Andhra Pradesh will be given a special category status, not for 5, not for 10, but for 15 years. Today, you're going back on your word. Then why should we follow your laws, sir? మేము ఎందుకు మీ చట్టాలని మేము పాటించాలని మేము మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్నాం. చట్టాలు మీకే కానీ మాకే కానీ మీకు కాదా? You mean to say that laws are applied only to the people, not to the rulers? Do you think are you beyond law? No, you are very much under the purview of law, sir. Please kindly don't forget. Respected sir, today you have pushed the state of Andhra Pradesh into an agitation mode. In 1972, when we had asked, you didn't give us a state. In 2014, people of Andhra Pradesh said, we would like to be in the same state. No, you have to get separated. In the most undemocratic manner, you had separated the state. That's fine. Telangana is our brothers, we are fine with it. But the problem is, in the process of bifurcation, you said special category status will be given. You know why we wanted special category status? Because we were kicked out of the Telangana without a capital. Because our leaders, the current Chief Minister, Mr. Nara Chandrababu Naidu ji, and the opposition leader, Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy ji, sir, they might be scared of government of India, sir. Maybe they have their own problems. Maybe they're scared for different reasons, only you know it better than me. Sir, I would like to tell you, from the capital of Amaravati, by controlling 25 MPs, you cannot control 5 crores people of Andhra Pradesh. 25 మంది ఎంపీలతోటి 5 కోట్ల మందిని కంట్రోల్ చేయాలనుకుంటుంది గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. That is not possible, sir. And recently I had formed a committee called Joint Fact-Finding Committee. Why we deserve a special category status which you had promised. And there is a true injustice being meted out to us. You cannot go back on your word. It is a violation of Constitution. Today it is not even about money. It is about the self-respect of Andhra Pradesh. Telugu ప్రజల ఆత్మగౌరవం కోసం, ఆంధ్రుల ఆత్మగౌరవం కోసం మనం ఈ రోజున గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాని నిలదీయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉన్నది. Respected sir, maybe from government of India, around the country, looking at the current leadership, heading government of India, people might be scared of you, sir. Maybe you're going to put them in some CBI cases and some other cases. God knows. Maybe all the corrupt people, corrupt leaders, they might be scared of you, sir. But people like me, people who are here, we are not at all scared, sir. Maaku bhayam ledu government of India ante. I tell you the reason why, sir. This is the land of Swami Vivekananda. Let me tell you, sir, by putting few bullets in the forehead, you cannot stop crores of Andhras for not fighting for their rights. We will fight for our rights. We will come out to the streets. We will make sure we will choke the highways. We will make sure we are not going to do fight in Jantar Mantar in Delhi, sir. No, we are going to do in Amaravati, in Andhra Pradesh. We will make sure. We will make sure. We will make sure entire subcontinent of India will look at us and we will see what kind of injustice had been done to us. Sir, I convey to the government of India and the leadership, you pushed us into this state, and we're going to fight for it, sir. This is, I would like to say, from the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. Ram Ram.